Hi guys, how are you? Hope you are fine and welcome to a new series of learning WordPress with Sajjad Bilgrami. In this series we will discuss about a page builder known as Elementor. We will see how to create a page using an Elementor. We will activate and use different elements that are available in Elementor, and we will show you how to use and connect your website with Elementor own website and create and download beautiful and creative pages from there. Hope you will enjoy this series and you will learn a lot from this series. If you have already subscribed to my channel, please give it a like to this channel, or if you are a new viewer to this channel, please like and subscribe to my channel. Let's begin our video. First we will install a theme which is compatible with the Elementor Page Builder. There are various themes available on internet like Astra or Hello Elementor. Hello Elementor is a theme that is created by Elementor own company. Let's find that theme and install it in our website. Click on add new. It will take some time to load the page. From here you can select you can just search for Hello Elementor. Just click on it. This is called Hello Elementor. Click on install. It will download to your website, and it will automatically install in your website locally. We have to just wait for it. Now it's installed, and click on activate, and you can see this theme is now Hello Elementor theme is now activated. To install Elementor, you have to go to plugin and click on add new. Here you can just type Elementor, and yeah, this is the first link which came is Elementor website builder. Just click on here. It will just install the website page builder for you. It may take some time to install. As you can see, it is already 5+ million active installation at this point of time. So, and it is updated 2 weeks ago, and it is compatible with the version of WordPress that I have on my hosting. And just click on activate. Once it's installed, click on activate, and it will this plugin will activate it on your website. You can check on it. Here you can see that Elementor has been activated. It is just a drag and drop page, and on the left side of the toolbar you can see that here is come the Elementor. If you hover your mouse over there, you can see there is setting, role manager, tools, system info, getting started, get help, submission, custom font, custom icon, GoPro. This is a free version of the Elementor. There is also a paid version of the Elementor which is known as Elementor Pro. We will explore these settings one by one. Click on settings. Here you can see there are what are the posts that we are going to use. We are using post and pages and landing pages. Disable default colors. Checking this box will disable Elementor default colors and make Elementor inherit the color from the theme. If you have another theme which is not Hello theme or some other theme, if you want to use that color that theme colors or pattern different sorts of things that you have already done there, if you want to import that in your Elementor, then you have to just click on it. If you are using from if you are building your website from scratch, then you should uncheck this box. disable default font. If you are checking this box will disable Elementor default font and make Elementor inherit the font from your themes. If you have already made your website and you have already chosen your font, then you have to select this box. If you haven't if you are making it from a scratch, then you do not need to check this box. Use data sharing. If you want to become a contributor to your to Elementor website, then you can check here. If you don't want to become a contributor, then you do not need to check here. Click on style. Now integration, if you have Google Maps API, you can click on you can just paste the API key here and click on save. It will save your settings. These are the advanced settings. Internal CSS print. What is the method of the CSS print? Generally it is embedded. Switch editor loader method disable. This is used for troubleshooting purposes only. And enable unfiltered file uploads. This option should be disabled. Google font load default is used, otherwise blocking, swap, fallback and optional. There are different types of options available. Load font awesome 4 support. Yes, we want font awesome in our websites. These are some experiments that you can optimize your using website. Improve CSS loading, font awesome inline default, accessible improvement default. These are the settings that are by default added into your websites. Here's come the role manager. If you have made your website accessible to different people like editor, author, contributor, subscriber, then you can just add the subscribers here. If you are an editor, you can add you here. If you want to add someone as an author, you can add it here, but this option is available for in purchase version only. In tools sections, you can see it's in general there is regenerative CSS and data, sync library, save mode, debug bar. Leave these settings as it is. Replace URL. If you want if you have a website and if you want to redirect it to some other, you can just put the old URL here and the new URL here, and it will automatically redirect your website. This is the control version control. This tells you that 3.4.3 3.4.4 is the latest version which we have installed, and the previous one is 3.4.3. if you want to roll back it here, you can just click on reinstall on version 3.4.3. it will roll back your website to older version. This is the maintenance mode. If you want to make a website on the maintenance mode, you can just choose here. It will show a maintenance page on your website. Import export kit. If you have already downloaded a website or you have a template kit with you, the template kit file with you, you can just start importing it from here. System info, it will tell you about the WordPress website, which the hosting in which it is hosted, on which server it is hosted, which SQL it is using, which PHP version it is using, and which WordPress website version it is using, maximum upload size, memory limit, what is the admin email ID, which theme that you have installed on it, version, users, different type of information you can get it from here. If you click on get in here, you will see a video of how to create a course that is offered by Elementor. If you click on get help, it will redirect you to the elementor.com website for getting your help. Submissions, if you have any forms created, then you can see that entries in your forms in here. Custom font, if you want to create a custom form, you can check it from here, but you need to purchase the licensed version of this website of Elementor. Custom icons can also be created within this Elementor, but you need to purchase the pro version. Let's we will create our first page in Elementor. Click on add new, click on here and add Elementor page and click on publish and click with edit with Elementor. Here you can see this is your page has been created. This is your website title, and this is the tagline which we have already built on our website. This is the footer of the section. If you want to create anything, you can just click on add sections, and or you can just drag and drop these elements that are already available. There are various amount of elements available in this section. We will explore these one by one, but in this video we will describe some of the elements. Like if you want to add a heading to your website in your page, you can just drag here this heading, and you can see this is the heading. Add your heading here. You can change your text. This is called heading 1. As you can see, when you are typing in here, your heading, your live preview will be available here. If you want to change your style, just click on style, text color. If you want to change your color, if you have any hexa, you can put it in here, or if you want to change this color by dragging and dropping, you can use these type of colors. On typography, you can click here. You can change the font whatever you like. Like I use let's say we will use this satisfy theme. And if you want to change the size of the heading, it will be increasing in pixel, em, rem, view, vertical view. If you want, you can increase or decrease the size of the heading by just dragging and dropping this bar. If you want to change the weight of this, you can use this settings: bold, normal, default. Transformation is, if you want to make it all uppercase, you can just click on here and it will be uppercase. All words will be uppercase, all letters will be uppercase. Capitalize, it will make the first letter capitalized. Decoration is whatever. If you want to add an underline, oval line, or line through, or none. If you want to add a line height, it will be increase or decrease your line height. If you want to increase the letter spacing, you can just drag and drop from here. If you want to add the text shadow, like if you want here, you can see there is a shadow behind these lines. If I want make it blurred, it will that color will be blurred. Horizontal line or in vertical line, you can see that shadow is moving here and there. In the advanced mode, if you want to add margins to your websites or padding, you can add in here. If you want to add a Z index in your this section, you can add in here. Motion, if you want to make it fade, whenever the page scrolls there, it will be faded. You can just add the duration, is slow, fast, normal. You can also add a delay like 3 milliseconds. Background, if you want to add an image to the background, you can add it from here. You can do play with the various things here. Let's get we will dig deep into there. Let's add another element in there. Like an image. If you want to create an image in your add your image into your page, you can click on here. If you have already an image, you can click on here. If you have already image in your library, you can click on media library. If you don't have any image, you can just upload it from anywhere else, like it's in pictures. You can have, if I have a picture, you can just upload it from here. If you want to add a text editor, if you want to add a text, you can just click, drag and drop in here, and you can see that this lorem ipsum text has been added to your website. You can add like if you want to make it a bullet size, you can add a bullet to here. As you can see, the bullet has been added into your page. If you want to make it bold, you can select all the text and click on bold. If you want to make it italicized, you can just click on italicize. If you want to change the font of here, it can be changed. If you want to change the font family, you can select here and just click on update. This page will be automatically updated and these elements will be updated on your page. If you want to see that it is if you want to preview this page, you can just click on view page, and this is what your page will look like. Hope you will like this video, and you have enjoyed this video. In next series we will explore more elements of Elementor, and thank you for watching it. Thank you.